This is how to change the app icon size on your iPhone. So the very first thing, the easiest thing to do, is tap and hold somewhere where there's empty space. Makes all the icons jiggle. You can delete them if you want. Up in the top left, there's an edit button. Tap on that. Then tap on customize. Down here at the bottom, we have more options for changing the colors and contrast of the apps. And here's a little icon that shows a small square, which is dark, and a larger square, which is outlined. The outlined one is the one we don't have active. So if we tap on this, all the apps get a little bit bigger. We see the larger one is now filled in, so we know that that's the one we're using. And that is an easy way to make your app icons bigger. What it does, though, is it takes the text away from underneath the app icons. I don't necessarily need that, but maybe you like to have the text there, so this method might not be the best option for you. Luckily, there's another way you can do it. So let's put that back to how it was, and let's go into the settings. In the settings, find the displays and brightness menu item. Tap on that. Scroll down to where it says display zoom. We're currently set to larger text, which also increases the size of the apps. If we go to default, it's a little bit smaller. It says it'll restart the iPhone. iPhone goes black. It's going to be restarted. And in my case, I went from larger to smaller. So everything's going to be a little bit smaller now. Yours might already be on the small setting. So going into here, choosing the larger text option, and then the check mark, then use zoomed. It'll go black again. That's going to make everything a little bit bigger. It's tough to really tell. It's not a huge difference, but it's not nothing either. Another thing you can do in the settings out here, we can change the text size. We can bump the text size up. You see it growing up here. Bump it down. So that might be a method you want to use to increase the size of things, make it more easy to read. One last option you have is for some apps, you have the ability to turn them into widgets. Tap and hold on any app to find out. Netflix does not offer this option. Let's see. Does the PS app offer it? No. I know the social media apps do. Let's find a social media app. Wait. Apple Music does. Tap on that. If an app has these icons appear in the menu after you tap and hold on it, that means you can turn it into a widget. So if I tap on this widget, the Apple Music app gets a whole lot bigger. Tap and hold on it again. Let's do even bigger. Nice. Tap and hold on it again. Even bigger. Sweet. And that's really the largest you can make an app because it's almost the entire screen. If we set it back to the small size, we're back down to small. And those are 3 different ways you can enlarge apps and text on your phone. Hopefully one of those works for you. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to secure your iPhone and make sure it's private. So check out that video because it's super important. I'll see you there.